Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. Most importantly, please hit the subscribe button. So this live stream is going to focus on subtracting mixed numbers. So our first example problem is 5 7/8 minus 3 2/8. Going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So step one, we subtract our whole numbers. So we're going to subtract 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So 2 is our whole number. Next, we got to subtract our fractions. And again, subtracting fractions is just like subtracting whole numbers, except we keep our denominator the same. Denominator, aka the bottom number in the fraction. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. Then our denominator for these fractions is both 8, so that's going to stay the same in our answer. 7/8 minus 2/8 equals 5/8. So we have our final answer. 5 7/8 minus 3 2/8 equals 2 5/8. All right, example number 3. Or is this example number 2? I lost track. All right. Anyways, next example. Six 2/10 plus 7 1/10. So step one, we're doing subtraction. We're doing subtraction. I don't know why I put an addition sign there. Why did I put an addition sign there? Clearly, this is going to be my last live stream before I call it a night here. All right. 9 2/10 minus 7 1/10. So step one, we subtract. Nine minus 7 equals 2. So 2 is our whole number. 2/10 minus 1/10 equals 1/10. So 1/10 is our fraction. So we have our answer. Our mixed number is 2 1/10. 9 2/10 minus 7 1/10 equals 2 1/10. All right, next example. Five 3/4 minus 4 1/4. Step one, we subtract our whole numbers. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Step two, we subtract our fractions. 3/4 minus 1/4 equals 2/4. So our answer is 1 2/4. Now 2/4 is not in lowest terms that can be reduced, but the reducing fractions, I like to keep that to its own video. So for all intents and purposes, this will be our final answer for this problem. Even though the fraction can be reduced, I'm going to keep the reducing I'm going to make that its own video. 5 3/4 minus 4 1/4 equals 1 2/4. Next example. All right, we're going to get into double-digit numbers now. 72 and 5/7 minus 53 and 2/7. So step 1, we subtract our whole numbers. If you cannot do this in your head, you can write the numbers vertically. 72 minus 53. So we're going to need to regroup here. You cannot start out with 2 and take away 3, so we take a 10 from the tens place. The 7 becomes a 6. The 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 3 equals 9. 6 minus 5 equals 1. So 19 is our whole number. Next, 5/7 minus 2/7. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Our bottom number stays the same. We have our answer, 72 and 5/7 minus 53 and 2/7 equals 19 and 3/7. All right, next example. This next example could be the final problem of the video. Shout out to the person that hit the like button. I appreciate you. All right, step 1, we subtract our whole numbers. So 29 minus 15. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. 29 minus 15 equals 14. 14 is our whole number. Step 2, we subtract our fractions. 4/5 minus 3/5. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Our denominator stays the same. And we have our answer. 29 and 4/5 minus 15 and 3/5 equals 14 and 1/5. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.